What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got a fun one for you from NEXA3D. So NEXA3D sent me a sample from their XiP desktop size 3D printer. Now the interesting thing here is the different types of materials you can print. You can print not only XABS, but XFlex as well, which will make the models out of a sort of rubber, rather than the typical ABS hard plastic that you'd find. And I'll show you examples with the samples they sent shortly. This was kind of fun. They sent I wasn't sure what this was, but it's actually a pack of lifesavers. A lifesaver for product design, XiP IT. And that was kind of interesting. Custom branded pack of lifesavers. I'll take it. And here's the code if you guys want to use that, if you like the product. And that's the 3D printer itself. So reading off the card here, the XiP is the first ultra-fast desktop 3D printer, enabling multiple prototyping iterations in a single day and even low-volume production. It claims to be 6.5 times faster than traditional desktop SLA, 4.8 liter build volume, open material platform with validated engineering photopolymers like XABS and XFlex, and those are those hard plastic and soft plastic or rubbery materials. And it's made sustainably, print responsibly, and they will plant 10 trees for every XiP sold. I'm not sure how big of a difference that will make in terms of the amount of material in here, but that's always nice to see. Any type of efforts towards sustainability are, of course, appreciated. And this seems to be the second xRook, which is a rubbery plastic. This is the XFlex, and I'll demonstrate that shortly. And there is a human hand printed in the Flex one to show that it's, flexible and movable. And in this one, in the hard plastic, there's a robotic hand printed in. And you can see the amount of detail that they're able to get. I'll have some closer images shortly because this one doesn't quite do it justice. So I'll get to zoom in here. So here is the XABS Rook. You can see the NEXA3D logo printed perfectly. And lots of different techniques. Inlaying of text, extruding of text, as well as the very intricate model inside of the exterior wall of the castle. It's very cool to see. The flex plastic obviously has to be slightly lower resolution, so you have some larger grid panels. But the material is very interesting. It stays stable and in shape, but you can move it around. And you can see those same techniques used, as well as a very high quality 3D printed hand in the center.
Yeah, hit the deck, he's the quickest in the West. Cycle the ramps, he is simply the best.
So that's it for this one. I have a couple more beauty shots here of the product. Let me know what you think of this video. Should I accept more of these types of products and review them so you can check out the types of new 3D technology coming out? I thought these were pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Peace.
He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.